Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change ringtone in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE and you are looking for how to change a ringtone. Also, OnePlus N20 SE supported dual SIM card. You can choose each SIM card, each ringtone. So for that, you want to click in your OnePlus N20 SE settings section. After click over there, scroll down and then you will find here something say sound and vibration. After click over sound and vibration, scroll down and then you will find here something say ringtone. From here you can see, for example, right now we are in the SIM 1. You can easily choose any SIM ringtone you want. So this is the ringtone I choose, and if you decide to change the SIM to ringtone, you can just simply go in this tab and it's going to appear SIM to ringtone and you can easily choose any ringtone you want. But if your device has any music in your SD card or in your phone, you can choose from this on this device and you can easily find out the music is going to appear here. Actually my memory card there is nothing, so it's empty. So here you can choose any ringtone if you have and you can set them in your ringtone. So in this simple way you can easily change ringtone in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.